Hello fellow teachers, in this video I will be sharing with you on how to record in School Form 2 using the Learner's Attendance Conversion Tool 2. If you think this video is helpful to you, I encourage you to finish watching this and share it to our fellow educators. And for you to be updated to all of the educational videos that I will be uploading here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This is the example of School Form 2 using the Learner's Attendance Conversion Tool 2. This LACT 2 is applicable to all distance learning modalities. Wow, sana all distance learning modalities lang, the distance relationship. All you have to do is to put all the necessary information here: the school ID, school year, name of school, report for the month of, the grade level, and the section. We will not do something about here in the absent and present because we are going to do it in our input data. So, ginawan ko siya ng input data. This is the input data, and as I said a while ago, LACT 2 is applicable to all distance learning modalities in which we are going to convert communication efforts with learners and or parents into class day attendance as programmed in a weekly home learning plan. The frequency of contact or communication with a parent or guardian or even with a learner in whatever approach can be converted into class day attendance. How are we going to record in School Form 2 using LACT 2? So all we have to do is to assign class day equivalency for each contact effort by getting the total number of contact efforts over the allotted class days per week or month. So total equivalence in class attendance. To illustrate, in a week schedule of 6 class days in a modular learning approach, the equivalent class days for distribution is 3 and another 3 days for retrieval. This is to complete the 6 class day per week stipulated in DepEd Order number 30 series of 2020. Therefore, the weekly schedule for both distribution and retrieval of modules may be counted as 2 contact efforts. So meaning, there are 2 contact efforts in a week, and each contact effort is equivalent to 3 class days. So in a week, there are 6 class days. In a month, there are 24 equivalent class days. For the sake of this video tutorial, let us assume that the total equivalence in class attendance is 24. So we will just drag it down for it to copy. So ayan na siya, nagko-compute na siya. And this pupil or learner, ako si Patulon, were able to get his module in the first week. So 1 contact effort is equal to 3. So 3. But this learner wasn't able to give it back. So there is no contact effort during retrieval. So 0 siya dyan. And the rest of the weeks, let us assume na perfect siya. Perfect. And the rest of the pupils, they are getting perfect. So meron silang contact effort for distribution and retrieval. So ganito lang. So copy lang natin siya. Drag it down, copy lang. So we'll do the same process. Ayan na siya. Nakikita nyo, nagko-compute na siya. So later, I'll be showing you the formula on how to compute. Okay, malapit na siya. So same process for the 3rd week and 4th week. Okay, last. Okay. Here, nagko-compute na siya. Nakikita nyo, si Patulon, meron siyang number of days absent which is 3 for the first week yan. So, nagre-reflect na siya dito. So, the formula that I am using here, number of days present is the sum of C3 here, starting here, up to J3. So, fourth week. So, this is the sum of all the contact efforts. So, this is the total number of days present. Kung paano naman natin kinuha ang number of days absent, ay ganito lang yan. Sum L3, where is L3? This one. L3 is the total equivalence in class attendance. Total equivalence in class attendance minus K3 minus number of days present. So, that's the way on how to get the number of days absent. All the data here will automatically reflect to our school form 2 that we have. So, let's try to see. Andito na siya. Let's go back to our input data. So, in this input data, mayroon na din akong computation. So, let us go down. Mayroon na din akong computation about registered learners as of the end of the month, the percentage of enrollment as of the end of the month, the average attendance, percentage of attendance for the month, the number of pupils not getting SLKs, NLPA, transferred out at transferred in. Naka-formula na din yan using the formula that we have in our school form 2 at the back. So, you may refer it there. Thank you po. Hopefully, nakatulong po ito sa inyo. And should you wish to have a copy of this one, just put your email address in the comment section below.